Danny here with Elite Mobile Auto Electric here, working on a 2006 Chrysler 300 3.5. What we're looking at is a customer complaint of a misfire on cylinder 6. Took off the intake manifold. We have lab scope. Now, I took a capture of the cylinder 2 of a working, we have good compression, roughly about maybe 125 PSI. So that is good. We see a the piston coming up on the power stroke, and then the valve close, and then obviously we don't have vacuum because the intake is off. Now on cylinder 6, let me put deep record, and then I'm gonna crank it. And as we can see here, we have a waveform which is very different from the cylinder number 2. What's causing this is that there is no valve activity on this cylinder, so the piston is just going up, down, up and down. So it can't build a compression, it can't it can't pull vacuum, because of the intake valves are actually not working. Now, I took off the valve cover. I knew that this was an internal issue, but I did take off the valve cover because I wanted to go in depth and find out what was actually going on. Maybe a broken leaf spring, the camshaft. So after taking this off, I cranked it, and we see that all of them are working except cylinder 6. So this car does have a broken camshaft. So the cylinder head would probably have to come out, replace that camshaft with a new one, and then you should be good to go. But I wanted to take the time to show you guys what a no valve activity compression looks like. So this is it. Hope this helps anybody looking at waveforms or being able to diagnose or pinpoint what exactly goes on. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.